Customer retention. It's a term that gets thrown around a lot in the business world, but let's break it down. Why is it so crucial? Simply put, retaining customers is like finding gold in your backyard. You see, it costs anywhere from 5 to 25 times more to acquire a new customer than it does to keep an existing one. Think about that for a second. If you're a SaaS company, for example, you're spending a ton of money on marketing to attract new subscribers. But what if you shifted that focus? What if, instead, you invested in upselling and renewing your current subscribers? That's where the magic happens. Now, let's talk about profitability. It's been shown that just a 5% increase in customer retention can boost your profits by a staggering 25 to 95%. That's not just a little bump, that's a seismic shift in your bottom line. If you've got loyal customers, they're not just going to stick around, they're likely to spend more over time. And here's the kicker. Satisfied customers are your best advocates. They'll recommend your brand to their friends and family, which means more business for you without spending a dime on marketing. Picture this. A gym member who loves their experience brings in friends because they received a referral discount. It's a win-win. So, how do you keep these customers coming back? Let's dive into some key strategies. First up, exceptional customer service. It's not just a nice to have, it's essential. You need to provide timely, helpful, and empathetic support at every touch point. Train your staff to handle issues efficiently and offer multiple support channels. Imagine an e-commerce company that provides 24/7 customer support. If a customer has an issue with their order, they can resolve it quickly, which builds trust and loyalty. Next, let's talk about personalized experiences. In today's digital age, customers expect more than a one-size-fits-all approach. Use data analytics to tailor interactions based on their preferences and behavior. Think of a streaming service that recommends shows based on what you've watched before. That personal touch makes customers feel valued and understood. Now, loyalty programs. These are a game changer. Reward your customers for their repeat business. Whether it's points, discounts, or exclusive perks, make them feel special. Picture a coffee shop giving a free drink after every 10 purchases. It's a small gesture, but it can create a habit and keep customers coming back. Regular engagement is also key. You want to stay connected with your customers, so send follow-up emails, thank you notes, or newsletters. Use social media to interact and respond to comments. An online store that sends a thank you email with a discount code after a purchase? That's a smart move. It shows appreciation and encourages future purchases. And let's not forget about acting on customer feedback. This is crucial. Use surveys and reviews to gather insights and then actually implement changes based on that feedback. Imagine a restaurant that adds vegan options after receiving multiple requests. That's how you show customers that their opinions matter. Offering exclusive benefits is another effective strategy. Create VIP memberships or provide early access to new products. Think about an airline that offers priority boarding and lounge access to frequent flyers. Those little perks can make a big difference in how valued customers feel. Simplifying processes is also essential. Ensure every customer interaction is seamless and efficient. Streamline checkout, returns, and account management. An online retailer that offers one-click checkout and hassle-free returns? They're making life easier for their customers, which keeps them coming back for more. Lastly, focus on customer success. Help your customers achieve their goals through your product or service. Provide onboarding support, tutorials, and proactive check-ins. A software company that offers live training sessions to maximize subscription benefits? That's a company that cares about its customers' success. Now, how do you measure all of this? First, there's the retention rate formula. It's simple. Take the number of customers at the end of the period, subtract the new customers acquired, and divide that by the number of customers at the start. Multiply by 100, and boom, you've got your retention rate. Then there's the Net Promoter Score, or NPS. This measures customer satisfaction and loyalty based on their likelihood to recommend your brand. Just ask, how likely are you to recommend us to a friend? It's a straightforward question that can provide powerful insights. You can also track the repeat purchase rate, which tells you the percentage of customers who make multiple purchases. And let's not forget about customer lifetime value, or CLV, which calculates the total revenue a customer generates over their lifetime. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges in retaining customers. Evolving expectations mean you need to stay updated on trends and regularly gather feedback. Competition is fierce, and your competitors might lure customers away with better offers. You need to differentiate your brand by focusing on unique value propositions. Inconsistent experiences can lead to dissatisfaction, so standardize processes and ensure employees are well-trained. Look at examples of successful retention strategies. Amazon Prime offers exclusive benefits that keep customers hooked. Sephora's Beauty Insider program creates a tiered loyalty system that increases repeat purchases. HubSpot's customer success team provides proactive support that improves retention rates. To continuously improve, monitor your retention metrics, surprise and delight your customers with unexpected perks, train your employees, and keep innovating. In summary, customer retention isn't just a buzzword. It's vital for profitability, loyalty, and brand advocacy. By implementing these strategies, businesses can foster long-term relationships and maximize the value of their customer base. Remember, it's not just about making the sale. It's about creating an experience that keeps customers coming back for more.